Hello everyone, welcome back to Nisha's Kitchen. Today I'm here with an interesting ice cream recipe to get rid of the scorching summers. Now let's check with the ingredients and get started. Fresh cream, 250 ml of mango puree, 1 mango diced, almonds and cashew nuts 25 grams each, which are roughly grounded just to add on a nutty flavor to the ice cream, milk maid, and cream should be chilled. Here I have taken a hand blender. I'll be adding 500 ml of fresh cream to it and I'll be blending it for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Now I'll just transfer it to a bowl and I'll continue whisking it for 5 more minutes. And now goes in our mango puree. Yes, mix it well and then the chunks, mango chunks. Now it's ready. So our ice cream mix is ready. Just keep it aside. I have earthen cups here in which I am going to set my ice cream in the form of kulfi. So I have 5 cups here. So we love having it in cups like this. So half I'll be pouring it in these cups and the rest will go in my airtight container. Let's start filling it. Yes, the rest will go into this container. Here I have garnished my kulfi with almonds and cashews. Now I'll be covering it with aluminium foil. And now these kulfis and the ice cream container will rest in the freezer for about 3 hours. So let's come and check it after 3 hours. It's been 3 hours. Let's check. Just look at the consistency. Yeah, it's creamier, but at the corners you can see it's little crystals. So like we don't want any crystals in our ice cream. So we are going to blend it for 3 minutes and then set it again. So this step helps us to make our ice cream creamier. Yes, now again transfer it to the same container. So this process can be repeated twice or thrice just to improve the quality of your ice cream. Now it is done. Let's close the lid and set it in the refrigerator. We will be checking it back after 2 hours. Okay, let's check our kulfi if it is set. Yes. Wow. Just look at it, friends. It is perfectly set and it is ready to have it. It's been 2 hours. Now let's check our ice cream. Yeah. It's perfectly done. Now let's scoop it out carefully. Just look at its texture, friends. It's soft and creamy. Now garnish your ice cream with chunks of mango and serve it to your loved ones. Hope you like my recipe, friends. If you like it, do subscribe, like and share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can be updated by my latest recipes. Hope you all enjoy homemade ice cream in this summers. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you once again. Signing off, Sheena.